Hey guys, it's March 2nd, just a few days after Al said I'd receive my Al car cam. It just showed up this morning. We're gonna unbox it, put it in the truck, and see what our first impressions are, so stick around. So let's open this thing up. We've got a great picture of what the camera looks like on a dash. And then underneath that we've got the instruction card. It looks pretty simple. Some more instructions, some decals, and there it is, the Alcam itself. A lot smaller than I thought it would be. I wasn't really sure how big it was going to be, but it's pretty small and compact. And we've got the cable, which is magnetic on both sides, the OBD adapter, the tuck tool, the suction beam with some other suction tails, and then there are some zip ties. So I apologize for how messy my truck is going to be. We got about 10 inches of snow last night and it's still coming down pretty good. But I want to get this thing installed and let you guys know what I think. So the first thing we need to do is find the OBD port. And it's going to be on the lower left hand side, and we'll attach the OBD adapter and snap the magnetic cable onto that. There's only one end that will fit, so you can't screw this up. We'll route it up through the door jamb, along the dash, and this just needs to be kind of loose at this time. We'll tuck it all in and make it look nice later. So snap the ball into the tail and route it down that channel. It's pretty easy to get in there. Probably be easier if I wasn't holding the camera with the other hand, so sorry it took so long. Once that is done, you can mount that on the dash. Just stick that end and suction. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then we can route the cable and hide it, and finally connect the camera. It's all magnetic. And then connect the other magnetic end, and it'll power up. Looks pretty good up there. So then we open up the app on our phone. It's going to ask us for some permissions and point it at the camera, and boom, that quick we're synced up. Some different settings in there that you can change: volume, brightness, the brightness of the floodlight. I'm not sure what the sensitivity is. That turns off the inside cam, and then it shows
presto.
the signal.
First
and we just
clip.
made a clip. Our first clip, there it is. So this is some footage of just driving right after we installed it. I wanted to go out and see how it did in the real world, so I took the dogs to the dog park. Like I said, we got a bunch of snow last night, so it's a pretty drive out there. The dogs are excited to go play in the snow. They love it. And so far, it's working great. All of these clips were initiated with the OK Presto phrase. I never had to repeat myself. It got the title of the videos correct. I didn't have any issues with it. I thought the video quality was very good. I enjoyed having the inside as well as the outside recording. So I know that you can turn off the inside, but I don't think I'm going to. I enjoy having both of it. I think it's great how many features that they have packed into this device. It does everything that you'd want a dash cam to do, and some things that you didn't know that you wanted it to do, but they're great features. And it just works. It's very easy to install, and right from the beginning, you're up and rolling in minutes. It's amazing. I didn't know how happy I was going to be that I had just installed this dash cam until about an hour, hour and a half after, when I pulled up on this disabled vehicle that had slidden off the road, and I offered to help them and get them back on the road so they could get on their way. After we had gotten him back on the road, I was getting ready to leave when a vehicle, for some unknown reason, actually hit me. So watch the video of what happens. So we're all fine. The puppies are fine. Nobody was actually hurt in the wreck. And this video has proven to be immensely helpful in explaining to my insurance company what actually happened. And it seems like it's going to help prove that I am not at fault, which not only will I not have to pay a deductible, but you also run the risk of having your insurance rates go up. So it looks like this OWL car cam paid for itself within hours of having it. This is a great product. The people that made it and the company are doing a great job. Everybody needs to get one of these. You need to be driving with an OWL car cam.